Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into a steamy showdown between the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop and the Newbealer Steam Mop and Handheld Cleaner. Let's find out which one shines brighter on your floors. First up is the price comparison. The Kenmore SM2050 comes in at a reasonable $89, which many reviewers appreciate as a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Newbealer is priced at $104, making it a bit of a splurge. Reviewers often say that Kenmore is great for those looking for an affordable yet effective cleaning solution, while Newbealer is seen as a premium choice for those willing to invest a little more for extra features. Next, let's discuss cleaning power. The Kenmore SM2050 boasts the ability to remove 99.9% of dust and is praised for its eco-friendly operation. Reviewers note its efficiency and quick heating time. In contrast, the Newbealer packs a 1200W steamer that heats up in just 20 seconds, making it a favorite among those who need fast results. While the Kenmore is recognized for its thoroughness, some users found Newbealer to be more powerful but noted issues with consistency in cleaning glass and mirrors effectively. When it comes to versatility, the Kenmore SM2050 shines as a two-in-one device that can easily transform from a mop to a handheld cleaner. Reviewers love its ability to tackle various surfaces, including floors and toys. However, the Newbealer offers a wider range of attachments for cleaning windows, grout, and even cars, making it a versatile cleaning companion. Users appreciate the Kenmore for its adaptability, while the Newbealer is seen as a multifunctional tool that can handle almost any cleaning task. Let's evaluate user-friendliness. The Kenmore features swivel steering, making it easy to maneuver around furniture, which is a hit with users. However, it has been noted that its cord length is a bit short. On the flip side, Newbealer is lightweight and has an extra long power cord, allowing for more freedom while cleaning. Users have mentioned that both mops are easy to use, but Kenmore's maneuverability is a standout feature. Finally, let's talk about the included tools. The Kenmore comes with a bristle tool, angle tool, and a carpet slider. Reviewers find this variety useful for different cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, Newbealer includes several attachments, making it a cleaning powerhouse. Although some users found the material of the Newbealer to be cheap, they still appreciated the extensive tools provided, which enhance its cleaning capabilities. Overall, both the Kenmore SM2050 and Newbealer Steam Mop have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers generally find Kenmore to be a reliable and budget-friendly choice, while Newbealer is celebrated for its power and versatility, but has some inconsistencies reported. So which steam mop will you choose? If you prefer a reliable, budget-friendly option, Kenmore might be your best bet. But if you're ready to spend a little more for added features and versatility, Newbealer could be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.